In the top right-hand corner of any page, there is your user icon. Clicking on this opens the settings and sign out options. Now we are going to look at the settings options. Settings is where you can adjust your user settings. You can reset your name and email address and change your password. Just remember to save your changes for them to become active. Clicking on the Edit QR Code Template button opens the QR code styling and branding options. This is where you can change the look and feel of your QR codes to reflect your branding. Clicking the Style option field opens options to modify the dots and the inner and outer eye shapes. To edit these, click on the downward arrows at the end of the field rows. Clicking the style name again closes the style box. Now, click on the Colors field. This lets you add a splash of color to each part of your QR code. By clicking the wording, such as foreground color, you can change the color of that part of the custom code. Checking the Custom Eye Color box shows a new field to edit the colors of the inner and outer eyes. Here you can drag your cursor around to select the correct color, or if you know the color reference, enter it by clicking the up or down arrows to select how you want to add it. The options are RGB, HSL, or hex colors. Should you choose, you can add a frame and text to surround your QR code. Click on Frame to open the Frame styling box. By selecting each frame style, the preview window will display what the frame will look like. As always, you can style the frame's color, the text's color and size, and, of course, swap out the font. To add a logo to your QR codes, open the Branding field. Now, you can drag and drop your logo or select it from your computer and click Enter. This will import your logo into the center of your QR code, where you can edit its size using this slider. This is an example of a QR code style. Click on the Options label. In the Options box, you can alter the size and even add a margin around your QR code. Feel free to play around with these settings. You'll soon get the hang of it. The final field is called the Error Correction level. I would recommend setting it to its highest setting, 30%. This clever setting helps your QR code fix itself if part of it gets dirty, scratched, or covered. Even if a little bit is missing, the QR code can still function and display the correct information because it knows how to fill in the gaps. We have just added this Reset to the Default option. If you want to start over, click this new field and your QR code will reset to the default black and white setting. The final step is to save your template. Then, your newly styled QR code template will be applied to all newly created QR codes. But the new style won't be applied to the QR codes already created